Hi 7th grade, welcome to a new partial. I'm Katherine, your new teacher for math class. This week we are going to see linear equations. So let's start. But first, remember our value for this month, perseverance. And what perseverance means is the value of being constant and firm in achieving a goal or overcoming an obstacle. Don't give up and remember to practice this important value all your days, okay? Continue with the topic. Linear equation is an equation in one variable which has a maximum of one variable of order 1. It is of the form ax plus b equals 0, where x is the variable and only have one solution. Here I have the terms in a linear equation. Ax plus b equals 0, where a is the coefficient, x is the variable, and b is the constant term. Then SCAM to solve linear equation. And what SCAM means? So SCAM. S for simplify both sides of the equation and combine like terms. C for collect variables on one side. A for addition, and M for multiplication. Now continue with examples. The first example said 3x plus 5 equals 2 negative 16. The first step, we have to simplify both sides of the equation and combine a term if you remember the SCAM. So that's why I moved the number 5 to the other side of equals, because we have to have in the left the real numbers and the right we have to have the numbers with variables. So that's why I have 3x equals to negative 16, negative 5. And why negative 5? Because I move the number 5 to the other side of equals. When we move a number with sign, we have to change it because it's a rule. So if we are multiplying here, we have to divide here if we move the number. If we are negative here, we have to pass it to positive. So that's why I move to negative. So that now I have 3x equals to negative 16, negative 5. The second step, we have to subtract or addition. In this case, we have to subtract 3x. We have to addition, 3x equals to negative 16, negative 5 equals to negative 21. In the third step, we have to be the x alone. So x equals to negative 21 divided by 3. The 3 was passed to other side of equal because the x have to be alone. So now I have negative 21 divided by 3. And the answer for this equation is negative 7. X equals negative 7 is the answer of all equation. And how to know if this answer is correct? So we have to copy the equation again, but changing the variable x. So in this case is negative 7. So that's why I have negative 7 here. 3 times negative 7 is negative 21. And copy all the equation. Plus 5 equals to negative 16. Then we have to subtract negative 21 plus 5 equals to negative 16. As you can see, we have the same number in the both sides of equal. Negative 16 here and negative 16 here. So this answer is correct. Okay. Continue. I have another exercise, but I'm going to write. So we have x plus 8 equals 2. So we have to simplify both sides of equation. So x equals to 2 negative 8, because I moved the number 8, here is positive, passes to negative. And then we have to subtract x equals to 2, negative 8 equals to negative 6. And this is the answer, okay? So we have to check if this answer is correct. So copy again the equation. X plus 8 equals to 2. And changing the x, negative 6 plus 8 equals 2. And the answer is 2 equals 2. So this answer is correct. So this is all, guys. If you have a question, I can help you, okay? See you soon.